Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's open your Falcon Mathematics of grade 1 class. Today we are going to do unit number 2, numbers and operations. Open unit number 2. Let's start number operations unit number 2, and today first operation is addition. वन क्लास आज हम समझेंगे एडिशन क्या है एंड हाउ वी कैन ऐड द नंबर्स. सी दिस रेड साइन, लुक एट दिस इज साइन ऑफ एडिशन और प्लस, एंड दिस ब्लू साइन इज it means equal to. Now see an example. There are many happy faces. See, at the left side we have two happy faces, then sign of plus, then there are three happy faces. How we can add? Add means count all the objects. सारी चीज़ों को गिन लें और लिख दें. इकट्ठा करना. Addition means collect. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. और ये जो blue sign ये है equal to. It means कि ये सब happy faces इकट्ठे काउंट करें तो वो टोटल 5 हैं. Equal to means total 5. Let's start exercise. Exercise 1. Add the following. Now let's do. With the same process, count happy faces and write the answer into the box. Let's start. Count from left side 1, 2, 3, 4. It means if we add 2 happy faces and 2, it will be equal to 4. Write down here 4. Now B part 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also 4 happy faces. Now count next in C part. Add happy faces of both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4, and at the right side there are just only a single happy face. Count them all collectively. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. Write 5 in the answer box. Now next D part. See, here we have 3 happy faces, then sign of plus. After that there are 5 happy faces. Now collect them and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 happy faces in total. Write down total number of happy faces. They are 8. Let's see what we have next in E part. There are again we have 5 happy faces on the left side and 2 at the right side. In between we have a sign of plus. What we have to do now? We will count them all and write answer in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. Next, now count happy faces in F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 in answer. Now at the last G part, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 in answer box. Next, let's move to exercise 2 with the same topic of addition. See, we have now different objects. There are some bottles. 6 bottles are at the left side and 2 bottles are at the right side. Now we have digit also. There are 6 bottles it is mentioned that there are 6 bottles, and at the right side we have 2 bottles, and it numbers, this number shows the amount of or number of these bottles presented at the right side. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Let's count the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these are 8 bottles. Now come to next B part. We have some balls. There are 5 balls at the left side, and we have number 5. Then plus 3 balls at the right side and the number 3. Let's count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Horizontally, let's do it vertically. 5 plus 3 equal to, we know that it is equal to 8. Let's move to next page, page number 34, exercise 2. Let's see in C part which object we have to count, and there we have some apples. 9 apples at the left side, 1 apple at the right side. Count them. 9 and 1, 10. It means 9 and 1 after addition equal to 10. Now let's do vertically. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Next we have birds. 3 birds plus 1 bird. 3 plus 1, 3, 4. Count one more in 3, 3, 4. Now add vertically. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Very good. Let's see in the next which object we have to add. And here we have some stars. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. At the left side and the other side we have 3 stars. 7 plus 3. Let's count. 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. Count more. 3 in 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Now add vertically. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. That's it. Now let's see the next object. And we have some colorful balls, different balls. 4 balls at the left side and 5 balls at the right side. Let's count them all. 4. Count 5 more in 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means when we add 4 and 5 we get 9 number. Let's do it vertically. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Very good. Let's see on page number 35 which object we have in exercise 2. More to add. Here we have G part of exercise 2 on page number 35. 4 umbrellas at the left side and 4 umbrellas at the right side. Now we have to find how many umbrellas collectively. Let's count. Count 4 in 4. After 4 start counting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means when we add 4 and 4 we get number 8. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Let's start exercise 3 on the same page. Page number 35, and the statement is add the following objects and tick the correct answer. See in the A part, there we have stars. How many stars there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total stars are 7. And see In circles there are 3 digits in different circles, 7, 6 and 9. And how many stars we have? We have 7 stars. So 7 is ticked. Let's start next B part. There are eggs. When we add 5 and 4 eggs, how many eggs we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 4 more in 5. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now see, we have 9 eggs in total. There are 3 circles and in these circles there are 3 different numbers. Which number is correct? 9 match to our answer. We have 9 eggs. So tick the circle of 9. Let's go to next part. See, there are some buttons. Count all these buttons and find how many we have. 5 are at the left side and 3 are at the right side. 5, count 3 more in 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 buttons. Where is the correct answer in circle? Here, the third circle is with the correct answer. So tick the third circle. Next, move to page number 36. We are doing exercise 3. On page number 36, see in D part we have some fish. Now let's count the fish. How many fish we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 fish at the left side in total plus 4 fish at right side. Let's count them all. Count 4 more in 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Tick the answer 13. Next, see in E we have some ice cream cone. Let's count ice cream cone. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at the right side. Count more in 5 to complete the left to collect the total number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 ice cream cone in total. Tick the 10. Now let's count oranges. Count left side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 oranges at left side. Now add right side in it. Count next to 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 oranges in total. So tick circle with 14 digit. There are in G part, you can see we have a lots of bananas. Students, who like banana most? Comment in the last of video who like banana most and who like oranges. Let's see how many oranges in your book. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 oranges at the right side. Let's count more in 9. There are 9. Start from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Total we have 16. Tick the answer with 16 in circle. Let's start exercise 4 on page number 37. We are doing unit 2, number operations, and the topic is addition. Let's see what now we have to add. Add the following objects and write the correct answer. Now we have some different objects. The same process we will follow. Count the objects and write the answer. Here we have 11 objects. At the right side we have 6 objects. Count them all. This will be equal to 17. Let's start exercise. A part. There are 15 triangles plus 4 triangles. The easy way is count more in 15 or count after 15. There are 15, you know that we have 15 at this side. Let's count next to 15. 16, 17, 18 and 19. When we add 15 and 4, we will have the number 19. Let's solve it vertically. 15 plus 4 equal to 19. Now count the stars. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So when we add 12 and 5, we will get 17 objects. So 12 plus 5 equal to 17. Count circles. Here we have 21 circles. At the right side we have only 8 circles. So when we add 21 and 8, let's count next to 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. It means when we have 21 and 8 objects, in total we have 29 objects. Let's solve it vertically. Write 21 plus 8 equal to 29. Let's move to next page. Page number 38. Exercise 4. And the second last question is 12 footballs plus 3 footballs. How many footballs are in total? Count more in 12. Let's count 3 more in 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. When we count 3 more in 12, we will get 15 footballs. So write 15 in answer after equal to. Let's do the last part. We have pentagons. See, there are 22 shapes of pentagon, and at the right side we have 7 shapes of pentagon. Let's count all in total. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. This shows that 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. Okay students, understand? Let's move to next exercise, exercise 5 on page number 39 with the same topic, addition. Solve the following with the help of a number line. Statement says, see or look at the number line. You have a number line and some numbers to add. Now we will follow the number line. There are numbers presented on this line, this 0 to 20. You can see the numbers are presented 0 to 20 on the number line. First number we have 15. Go to 15. Here we have 15. Okay. Now add 4 more. Step 4. Take 4 steps on this number line. 1, 2, 3, 4. After taking 4 steps, we came to number 19. So answer is 19. When we add 4 into 15, we have 19 in total. With the same process, let's do the next parts of this exercise. Here we can see in the B part there are also numbers presented on the line 0 to 20 and numbers to add 13 and 5. Go to 13, find 13. Where is 13? Here we have 13. Take 5 steps to 13. Next, take 5 steps next to 13. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When we take 5 steps from 13, we came to number 18. Means when we add 5 in 13, we have answer 18. Let's do next. First number is 8. Find where is 8. Here we have 8. Now take 7 steps next to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we reach? We reached on 15. Write 15 in answer. Next, see the number line of D. Here we have first number is 11. Find where is 11. Here we have 11. Circle 11. Next, step out 3 more steps next to 11. 1, 2, 3. We reach on 14. Answer is 14. This shows when we add 3 in 11, collectively we have number 14. Next, E part. See, the first digit is 5. Find out where is 5. Here we have 5. Students, if you first circle 14, you can find out answer, but we will follow the first number. Circle first number, then take 14 steps next to 5. Let's step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We reached at 19. Answer is 19. In addition, order doesn't matter. You can add 14 and 5. You can add 5 and 14. Order doesn't matter. Next, let's see the last F part of this exercise with number lines. Here we have first number 8. Find out 8 on the number line. Now put 9 steps more from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We reach at the 17. Total steps are 17. This is your exercise 5. Let's move to next page and let's see what is we have on page number 40. See, on page number 40 we are on exercise 6 with the same topic, addition. Add the following. Let's add the following. See, here we have 41 and 6 to add. You can count 6 next to 41. Count 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. In total you have 47. Another way you can count, draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count 4 more in 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Answer is 36. In another way, you can count the first column digits. They are 5 and 3 equal to 8, and put down 1 as it is. Answer is 18. You can follow either any method of addition, but here we will count next numbers. Draw 7 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now count 7 more in 22, after 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. It means when we add 22 and 7, answer will be 29. Next, count one more in 42, 42 and 1, 49. Count 3 more in 52, 52, 53, 54, 55. Follow the first digit and count more the lower digit. The other one, 62, count 4 more in 62. Draw 4 lines. Now count 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66. With the same process, count 4 more in 71, 75 will be the answer. Next, 82, add 4 more in 82, answer is 86. Here you can follow the second method, which is add units first, then tens. Now count units first, 5 and 1, 5, next is 6, 5 and 1, 6. Now count 4 and 2, 4, 5, 6. When we add 45 and 21, in total there are 66 objects. Next is 34 plus 22. With the same process, units first, tens after units. 4 plus 2, you can draw lines. 4, 5, 6, 3 and 2, 5. Last question, 1 and 1, 2. Write 2 against, write exactly of 1, and after then 3 and 5, 3 and 2 equal to 5. Let's go to exercise 7 on page number 41. Here we have some complicated addition. You can see, students, here we have a tip that first add the units and then add the tens. Now it is the rule of this exercise that you have to add units first and then tens. These are the units, second one tens. At the right side we have units, at the left side we have tens. Now start addition from units. 7 and 0 equal to 7, because 0 cannot increase the number or decrease the number. So write 7 in answer. Next, 7 and 2, 9. With the same process, let's solve the next exercise. 8 and 0, 8. 4 and 5, 9. 4 and 1, 5, 6 and 1, 7. With the same process, we will solve the rest of exercise. 5 and 3, 8. 3 and 3, 6. 8, 9. 4, 9. 3, 8, 1, 9. 2 and 4, 6. 6 and 1, 7. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 3. 4 and 4, 8. Next, 7. Count 0 more in 7. Answer will be 7. 6 and 2, 6, 7, 8. 6 and 2, again 8. 3 and 2, we know that it is 5. 5 and 4, 9. 5 and 3, 8. Turn page 41 to page 42. And on page number 42, exercise 8, here we have another operation which is subtraction. Previously, students, we have done addition, where we have to add numbers, collect them, count them collectively, and then write answer. But now we are going to do subtraction. And what is subtraction? This horizontal small line is the sign of subtraction. Subtraction means take away some objects from a number. For example, see, here we have 4 buttons, and you can see one button is crossed. It means one is taken away from by someone, and now we have 3 remaining with us. Answer is 3. 4 minus 1, 3. With the same process, we will do some more practice. Let's see, here is 9. Count. We must have 9 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will cross the 3 circles. 1, 2 and 3. Rest of circles we will count. How much we have left with us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. It means 9 minus 3 equal to 6. When we subtract 3 from 9, we will get number 6. Let's solve the rest of exercise with the same process. We have 8 triangles. The first number shows how much objects you have, and the second number shows how much you have cut or cross. We have 8 triangles and we have to cross out 4 triangles. Let's cross the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the rest one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining triangles are 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Now we have first number 8. It means we have 8 rectangles. Minus 8, it means cross them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we cut or when we take away 8 objects from 8, remaining are 0. We have nothing. Now see in the next, there are 6 eggs. The first digit shows that how many objects you have. You have 6 eggs. And the second object shows how much are taken away from you. It means 2 eggs are gone and 4 are left, remain with you. Next, 5 candies. Cut down 1. You shared 1 candy with someone. Left are 4. First number shows you have 9 stars in a row. Cut down or cross 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count remaining. These are 2 stars. Let's see on the next page. Page number 43. Here we have exercise 9. Subtract the following objects and tick the correct answer. This is same like that when we add. Now see how many total toothbrush are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toothbrush, and from them 2 toothbrush are crossed. It means they are damaged or taken away by someone. How much you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick the answer. 8. Now count total. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And crossed one. 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils are crossed. How much you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle with 10 is correct answer. Tick it. Now count the eggs. First, how much number of eggs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total eggs are 15 and 6 are crossed. Now count remaining eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Find out which circle has 9 digit. Tick this one. This is the right answer. Let's move to next, and it is, you can see here we have lots of teacups. Let's count them first. How much teacups are there? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 cup. Minus how much are crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are crossed. Let's count now the remaining cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means when we subtract 9 from 20, answer will be 11. Tick the circle with 11 digit. We have completed exercise now 9 with the topic subtraction. Let's move to page number 44. Here we have 2 more part of exercise 9. Let's see how much apples. Count the apples. Ten are in first row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. In total we have 20 apples. and 5 apples are gone. Remaining are 15. Let's tick the circle with number 15. Now there are, you can see pink and blue spoons. Let's count how much spoons are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 spoons in total. The first number shows the total number. The cut or crossed object shows the subtracted number. When we subtract 3 from 10, we have 7 objects with us remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spoons remain with us. Tick the number 7. Let's see what is in exercise 10. Here we have number line. Solve these sums with the help of a number line. Now how we can subtract? By using this number line. Let's do it. See, here we have first number 15. As I told you before, the first number shows how much objects we have. Circle 15. Now we have to subtract 5 from it. We will step out backward. When we were adding on the number line, we were stepping out, and now we will step inside. Backward step. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached at 11. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Take one more step. We reached at 10. Answer is 10. When we add on number line, we step next to the number, and when we subtract on number line, we step backward on number line. Let's see in the next page number 45. Find out the digit 12. Step backward 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We reached at 4. Answer is 4. When we subtract 8 from 12, we get 4. Now first number is 13. Find out 13. Circle it. Now step backward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reached at 8. 8 is our answer. Let's see the next number 9. E part. First number is 19. Here we have 19. Circle it. Now second number is 7. It means we have to subtract 7 from 19. Put 7 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reached at 12. Write down 12 in answer. And the next is 20 minus 9. What we do? We will step backward 9 times. 1, 2, we will take or put 9 steps back to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We reached at 11 number. So 11 is our answer. Let's move to next page, and it is page number 46. Exercise 11. Subtract the following. First, here we have a tip. First, subtract the units. Okay, students. First, subtract the units. Subtract 6 from 7. Draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now cut down the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have crossed 6 lines. How much remaining with us? It is 1. Write down 1. And in tens we have 1 only. Put down it as this is. Next, draw 9 lines. First number is 9. Draw 9 lines. Now cross 4 lines because we have to subtract 4 from 9. 4. Remaining are 5. Count them and write. 1 will be written as it is. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut down 3 lines. Now you have 8 in units. Draw 8 lines. Cut 7 lines. Write down remaining in answer. When we subtract 1 from 2, answer is 2. When we subtract 3 from 4, answer will be 1. And the number in tens, this will be written as. Subtract 1 from 2, answer will be 1. Put down 2 as it is. Now subtract 5 from 5, answer will be 0, and put down 5 as it is. 2 minus 2 equal to 0, put down 4 as it is. 5 minus 1 equal to 4, put down 4 as it is. 4 minus 2 equal to 2, put down 3 as it is. See in the units, we have to subtract 3 from 9. If you think it is bigger operation, then draw 9 lines. 9. Now cut or cross 3 lines. Count the remaining one. It is 6. Put down 4 as it is. This was exercise 11. Let's move to page number 47. And exercise is 12. Topic is same, operation, subtraction. Now we have 2 digits to subtract from 2 digits. Start from unit side, then move to tens. First, solve unit side. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. When we subtract 0 from 6, answer will be 0. 1 and 1, it will be crossed completely. Nothing is in answer. When we subtract 5 from 6, answer will be 1. 3 from 7, write down 4. It means 76 minus 35 equal to 41. 93 minus 40 equal to, first of all, subtract units. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Then tens. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Next, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 8 minus 2 equal to 6, and 8 minus 5 equal to 3. In total, 88 minus 52 equal to 36. Let's see in the next row. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. When we subtract 0 from 2, answer is 2. When we subtract 3 from 5, answer will be 2. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Answer 33. Next, 2 minus 0. 0 has no ability to decrease a number or increase a number. So answer will be the same 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Next, when we subtract 84 and 54, answer will be 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 5 3. It means answer is 30. 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 2 1. Answer is 11. Students, we have completed our unit number 2 with 2 operations, addition and subtraction. Now practice these 2 operations and learn how we add and subtract. I hope you have understand better. Practice and take care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन